I'm writing to you today to talk about the best 3 selling niches for Amazon. These are the niches that have consistently generated high sales and profits for sellers on our platform. The first niche is home and kitchen. This is a broad category that includes everything from furniture and appliances to cookware and kitchen gadgets. Home and kitchen products are always in high demand, as people are constantly looking for ways to improve their homes and make their lives easier. In 2022, the home and kitchen category accounted for over $100 billion in sales on Amazon. This represents a growth of over 15% from the previous year. Some of the top-selling products in this category include air fryers, coffee makers, vacuum cleaners, and mattresses. The second niche is electronics. This category includes everything from smartphones and laptops to TVs and audio equipment. Electronics are another high-demand category, as people are constantly upgrading their devices. In 2022, the electronics category accounted for over $75 billion in sales on Amazon. This represents a growth of over 20% from the previous year. Some of the top-selling products in this category include iPhones, TVs, laptops, and headphones. The third niche is clothing and accessories. This category includes everything from clothes and shoes to jewelry and handbags. Clothing and accessories are a personal purchase, so people are often willing to spend more money on these items. In 2022, the clothing and accessories category accounted for over $50 billion in sales on Amazon. This represents a growth of over 10% from the previous year. Some of the top-selling products in this category include women's clothing, men's clothing, and shoes. These are just a few of the best 3 selling niches for Amazon. If you're looking for a profitable niche to sell in, I recommend focusing on one of these 3. With a little research and planning, you can be successful selling in any of these niches. Here are some additional details about why these 3 niches do well on Amazon. Home and kitchen. This is a broad category that includes products that people use every day. This makes it a low-risk niche to sell in, as you can be confident that there is a demand for your products. Electronics. This is a high-tech category that is constantly evolving. This means that there are always new products coming out, which can create opportunities for sellers. Clothing and accessories. This is a personal purchase category, which means that people are often willing to spend more money on these items. This can lead to higher profits for sellers. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any further questions, please ask ChatGPT for all the answers.